Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the practice for measuring weight. Okay. So convert kg into gram. Okay. Let's start practice 4. Convert into grams. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. So we have to convert kg into gram. First 18 kg. 18 kg. How to do that? Same 18 into 1000. Okay. 18 into 1000. 18,000 gram. Okay. Understood? In the same way you have to do 2 kg 225 gram. How to do this? First we have to convert kg into gram, then we have to add this gram. Okay, 2 into 1000 plus 225 gram. Okay, 2000 plus 225, 2225 gram. Understood? Next 5 kg 50 gram. 5 kg 50 gram. 5 into 1000 plus 50 gram. 5000 gram plus 50 gram. 5050 gram. Understood? Next, fourth one. The 10 kg 5 gram. 10 into 1000 plus 5 gram. 10,000 gram plus 5 gram. 10,005 gram. Understood? This is how to convert kg to gram. Next, convert into kilograms and grams. 6,000 gram. 6,000 grams. So how to convert it to kg and grams? Six kg. Okay, we have to. So we have to divide by 1000. Okay, or this is a simple method, or you have to divide 6,000 by 1000. Okay, we will get the answer. Next, 4235 gram. So divide the thousands and hundreds. 4 kg 235 gram. Okay. Next, 8050 gram. 8 kg 50 gram. Answer is 8 kg 50 gram. Fourth, 7008 gram. 7 kg 8 gram. Okay, understood? Next, express in grams. So, you have to express this as a gram. Okay, 2.5 kg. 2.5 kg. I have to convert it to gram. Okay. 2 half means 500 gram. So answer is 2500 gram. Write 2 as it is. Okay. Next, B. 1/4 kg. 1/4 means 250 gram. 250 gram. So 4250 gram. Okay. Next, C. 5 3/4 gram. Kg. So 5 3/4 means 750 gram. Okay. Answer is 5750. Next, D. 10.5 kg. 10 half means 500 gram. So 10,500 gram. Understood? This is how to convert as a gram. Okay. Next, we'll move on to practice 5. That is, convert the liter to milliliter. Okay. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay. So let's start practice 5. Convert into milliliters. First one, 4 liter. It's the same as kg and gram. Okay. 4 liter. 4 into 1000. 4000 ml, milliliter. Okay. So convert into milliliter. Liter to milliliter. Okay. Next, B. 3 liter 105 milliliter. 3 into 1000 plus 5 milliliter. 3000 ml plus 5 ml. So add this. Okay. 3105 ml. Okay. I have to convert like this. C. 7 liter 50 milliliter. 7 into 1000 ml plus 50 ml. 7000 ml plus 50 ml. 7050 ml. Understood? Next, D. 6 liter 5 ml. So how to convert this? 6 into 1000 plus 5 ml. 6000 ml plus 5 ml. Answer 6005 ml. Okay. Next, convert into liters and milliliters. Second, A. 8000 ml. So we have to divide thousands and hundreds. Okay. 8 liter. 5555 milliliter. 5 liter 555 milliliter. Okay. C. 6080 milliliter. 6 liter 80 milliliter. Okay. Next, D. 9008 milliliter. 9 liter 8 milliliter. Okay. Next, third, express in milliliters. 1.5 liter. 1 half means 500. Half liter means 500 ml. So answer is 1500 ml. Okay. B. 2 liter. 2 1/4 means 250 ml. 2250 ml. C. 6 3/4 liter. 6 3/4 means 750 ml. Okay. Next, D. 9 1/2 liter. 9 1/2 means half, means 500 ml. So answer 9500 ml. Okay. Understood? So for this we finished practice 4 and practice 5. Tomorrow we will see the word problem. Okay. Thank you.